In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to visualize business processes with swimlane diagrams in Confluence. Swimlane diagrams help map a process while clearly showing who does what. Today we'll build one directly on a Confluence page using the draw.io integration. First, open Confluence and create a new page so you have a blank canvas to work in. In the editor, type /draw to bring up the macro search, then choose the option that inserts a new draw.io diagram. In the template picker, select Basic, then pick Blank Diagram, and hit Create. This opens the diagram editor where we'll build the swim lane. To add the swim lane container, use the Shape Search and type Pool, or expand the advanced shapes to find the pre-made swim lane, then drag it onto the canvas. A pool is the overall process container, and each lane inside it represents a role, team, or system. With the swim lane selected, adjust the number of lanes using the on-canvas controls. Add lanes for each participant in your process, or remove extras to keep things focused. Aim for meaningful lanes rather than mirroring your org chart line by line. Now label the lanes. Double-click the title area of each one and enter the name of the person, department, or role responsible. Keep labels short and consistent so they're easy to scan. Next, build out the process steps. Drag standard flowchart shapes from the library onto the canvas and place each step in the lane of the responsible owner. Use ovals for the start and end, rectangles for actions, and diamonds for decisions. Connect the shapes with arrows to show the sequence. Where helpful, add short labels to connectors to clarify transitions, like yes or no after a decision. Keep the flow moving in a single direction to minimize crossing lines, and align shapes so the diagram reads cleanly. Finally, refine the diagram. Add color sparingly to group-related steps, or highlight critical paths, and use brief annotations to capture rules or notes that would otherwise clutter the shapes. When you're satisfied, save and publish the diagram back to the Confluence page. From there, you can share the page with your team so they can view it or collaborate on edits. And that's it. You've created a clear swim lane diagram in Confluence that makes responsibilities and handoffs unmistakable. As a quick recap, start with a blank draw.io diagram, drop in a pool, tune and label the lanes, place your steps with standard symbols, connect the flow, then polish and publish.